Let's take a look at how artificial intelligence is already making a big difference in business, not just in tech companies, but in regular day to day work across industries. First, communication. AI can help draft emails, summarize meetings, and even create presentation slides. For example, instead of typing up notes, you can ask AI like Microsoft Copilot to generate a summary that includes key takeaways, decisions, and next steps. AI can help you write clear replies faster by suggesting responses based on the tone and the message content. Second is data intelligence. AI can look at spreadsheets, spot trends, and explain meanings behind numbers. Imagine uploading a sales report and asking what changed compared to last month. Can you highlight the top performing products? And AI scan data, find the patterns, and give you a simple explanation. It can create charts or dashboards to help you present your data clearly. Third, process automation. AI can help repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, organize files, tagging documents. For example, it can sort your inbox priority automatically, folders based on products, names, or even pull relevant files to your next client call. You can save time, human error, and stay more organized without doing all the small manual steps. And fourth, customer service. AI powered chatbots can answer questions, collect feedback, or guide customers through common problems. These bots can work 24 hours a day, fast, helpful answers, and even if your team is offline. AI can also personalize responses based on customer from communication to data support. AI can help businesses run smoother. The goal is not to replace them, is to give them better tools so they can focus on what matters most. Artificial intelligence is not just for data and spreadsheets. It's becoming one of the most useful tools in creative work. Whether you write, design, or build content online, AI can help you save time, boost your ideas, keep everything on brand. Let's look at three ways creatives are using AI every day. First, social content. Writing a caption, a hook, or a series of posts that can be time consuming. AI can help you generate a week's worth of content ideas in minutes. You can start typing like, give me 5 social media post ideas about healthy snacks, and it'll give you fresh ideas, headlines, and taglines, and even captions. This is great for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs to keep posting regularly without running out of inspiration. Second, design assistance. If you ever stared at a blank screen trying to build a flyer, presentation, or banner, AI can help you start. Tools like Canva and Microsoft Design now include AI features that can generate full layouts for you based on your input. You can say, make a professional looking banner for a leadership webinar, and AI will give you layout options, color schemes, and headline suggestions. It's not about replacing your creative eye, it's about getting stronger first draft so you can focus on what matters most, your message. And third, brand voice. One of the hardest parts of creating content is staying consistent, and AI can help you keep the same tone across all platforms. For example, you can ask to rewrite this product description using a friendly, informal tone, or adjust this message to sound more professional. This is a huge time saver when you're juggling emails, websites, social media all at once. So, whether you're a designer, a writer, or a small business owner, doing it all, you do not need to be a genius. You just need to start. AI is here to support your ideas and bring them to life faster, easier than ever before. Artificial intelligence is not just for creative work or office emails. It's starting to play a big role in highly specialized fields too, places where accuracy and precision matter a lot. Let's take a closer look at four of them. First, the legal field. Lawyers, paralegals, and legal researchers are using AI to review contracts, summarize legal documentation, and even predict case outcomes based on past rulings. For example, if you give AI a 20-page contract, it can highlight key clauses, flag risks, and summarize with the main terms in plain language. That saves hours of manual review and helps legal teams focus on strategy instead of paperwork. You gotta be careful with hallucinations, and that's why they're very fine tuned. It saves a lot of time, but you gotta always be aware of hallucinations because sometimes the AI gets it wrong. Second is finance. AI helps financial professionals track market trends, detect fraud, and build financial models. If you're managing a portfolio, AI can suggest investment strategies based on current data. If you are accounting, you can scan expense reporting for irregularities or automatically sort transactions into categories. It helps teams work faster and more accurately while reducing errors and misses insights. Third is human resources. AI can help HR teams with better job descriptions, screen resumes, and even suggest interview questions. Some companies use AI to review employee surveys and summarize key themes. Others use it to analyze skill gaps in their workforce or draft policies that reflect the company's tone and culture. This makes hiring a team of development more efficient and more personalized. Fourth, healthcare. While doctors and nurses still make the final decisions, AI support them by analyzing patient records, summarizing case notes, and even flagging unusual test results. Some hospitals use AI to help prioritize care, predict patient risk, or generate first drafts and discharge summaries. This does not replace medical experts. It helps them serve patients faster, safer, and with more focus on human connection. Whether you work with legal teams, numbers, people, or patients, AI is beginning to support role in your world too. And learning how to use it well is key in becoming a real skill in every field. Let's take a look at a real example and walk through how a simple prompt turns into something useful. On the left, we have a basic prompt. It says, write an email about our new fitness app launch. That is a short instruction, but it's enough to get the AI started. On the right, we can see the result. The AI generated the subject line, transform your fitness journey with Fit Pro, launch it today. Then it starts a message with a friendly greeting, excited to introduce Fit Pro, your new personal trainer in your pocket. In seconds, AI have given you a professional draft to edit, expand, and send. You do not need to stare at the blank screen or worry about the right words. You just need to give it an idea, and AI gives you a head start. This is especially helpful for writing is not your favorite task, or if you're juggling too many projects at once. You can also make it better by refining your prompt. For example, you could add make this sound bold, exciting, or keep this under 100 words. The more practice, the more natural it becomes and the more helpful it feels. So the next time you need to start a message, launch a product, or just get unstuck, writing a simple prompt and let AI build the first version. There are many artificial intelligence tools out there, and it can feel overwhelming to figure out which one to use. So let's make it simple. Let's compare three of the most popular tools: ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. First, chat. This tool is great for writing. It helps with emails, essays, social media posts, even summarizing brainstorming ideas. It has a free version that you can use right now by going to chatgpt.openai.com. And it also includes a powerful image generator called DALL-E. And now, even the 4.0, you can just build it directly within the chat prompt and turn text into pictures. For example, you could say, create a photo of a mountain landscape at sunset, and ChatGPT will give you that image. Next, we have Copilot. Copilot is built into Microsoft tools like Excel, Word, and Teams. Its strengths is its productivity and coding. It can help you analyze data and spreadsheets, summarize meeting notes in Microsoft Teams, or even suggest improvements in Word document, especially useful if you already use Microsoft 365 for work. Copilot Chat is also a new tool that's free for access where you can leverage the benefit of Copilot without even paying for a similar experience like ChatGPT. It also includes design tools that can help generate layouts, banners, or even design visuals. And third is Gemini. Gemini is developed by Google and it works well for tasks that are involved in search and research. You can Ask it to explain difficult topics, find summaries of articles, or help with study questions. It's integrated into Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, and there's a free runner version available. So, say if you love this video and you want to go to my website and you like my talk track, you can use it to say, hey, download the transcribe slides, talk, and you get all the information there to keep it with you. So, here's the takeaway: use ChatGPT when you want strong writing, help with creative support. Use Copilot when you work with Microsoft tools and need help with documents and spreadsheets or meeting. Use Gemini when you need a good search results or just working within the Google platform. It will be like the same look and feel as Copilot for the Microsoft platform, just for your Google workspace. You do not need to pick just one. Try a few different ones. I use actually all of them for different things and different timing because each one does something a little bit different and better. Find what works for you. And I didn't even talk about Grok, Claude, Perplexity. There's so many more I could talk about right now. DeepSeek that we can use as other generative AI tools, and we're gonna have more trainings down the road for doing prompts within each one of these platforms. Can they respond different? You might even do a couple of bake-offs to see what happens and how do they respond and what do we like, what we don't like about it. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you sign up for the Growth Pass. It's $9, right? $9.99, cheaper than a box of pizza. Get that because all this training is in there for that. Because training shouldn't be hard, but results should be impactful. So even though it's affordable, the quality is still here, and as you can tell in this free training that I'm giving you.